Sabi mo 1, 2, 3. Hi guys! Hi low carbers! So, I'm here in Abu Dhabi and I pray all the OFW Filipinos stay safe. Kahit nagigera, let's pray lang kasi we are still working, naghihintay yung mga pamilya natin sa Pilipinas, and hope stay healthy and stay low carb. So for the info about pimples and lose weight or delaying aging, yes, I suggest you high protein and high fat because that is the amino acid for muscle blocks in our muscle para strong tayo at hindi tayo sakitin. And also protein minimum of 75 grams per day, if you are 5'2", but if you are taller, make it 120 grams. So like example, 1 piece of egg is 6 grams. So if egg lang kakainin mo maghapon, it's if you get the 75 grams, almost more than 10 eggs, no? And if you still hungry, you can eat chicken, beef, pork. That is help you to lose weight and delay aging, also tanggalan yung pimples. So stay low carb.